Transporting your e-bike has never been easier. The best e-bike rack with ramps simplifies loading and unloading, ensuring safety and convenience for every ride. Durable, secure, and versatile, it transforms travel into a hassle-free experience for cyclists everywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Young 200 pounds. The Young 200 pounds electric bike rack is designed specifically for riders who need a dependable and heavy-duty solution for transporting large e-bikes with confidence. With a total load capacity of 200 pounds, supporting up to 100 pounds per bike, this rack is ideal for two full-size electric bikes, including fat tire and step-through models. The upgraded V-Groove ramp is a standout feature, making loading and unloading smooth and strain-free, especially for heavier bikes. It supports tires up to 5 inches wide and wheelbases up to 50 inches, ensuring wide compatibility across modern e-bike designs. Built for vehicles with a 2-inch hitch receiver, the rack installs easily and arrives mostly pre-assembled, saving time and effort. Stability is a major strength thanks to the patented anti-wobble bolt system and V-shaped cradles, which work together to minimize movement even on rough roads. Instead of metal hooks, the rack uses a 3-point ratchet strap system with soft padding and rubber covers, protecting bike frames from scratches during transport. The aluminum and steel construction balances strength with manageable weight, while the foldable design allows for compact storage when not in use. A corrosion-resistant coating rated for 1,000 hours of salt spray ensures long-term durability in various weather conditions. Backed by a 1-year warranty and manufacturer support, the Young 200 pounds bike rack is a practical, secure, and user-friendly option for serious e-bike owners.
Number 2. CRAVOT E2 Plus. The CRAVOT E2 Plus electric bike rack offers a well-rounded solution for transporting heavy e-bikes while emphasizing stability, protection, and ease of use. With a total capacity of 200 pounds, this rack comfortably supports 2 e-bikes and includes a foldable ramp that simplifies loading, especially for riders who prefer not to lift heavy frames. Designed for vehicles with a 2-inch hitch receiver, it accommodates bikes with tire widths up to 5 inches and wheelbases up to 50 inches, making it suitable for fat tire, mountain, and commuter e-bikes. The updated V-shaped front wheel cradle enhances compatibility with different tire sizes while improving balance during transit. A semi-enclosed connecting block on the vertical rod, combined with a sturdy bolt system and shock-absorbing threads, significantly reduces wobble and vibration on uneven terrain. The rack's 3-position folding mechanism adds versatility, allowing it to be upright when not in use, tilted for trunk access, or fully lowered for bike loading. Instead of traditional hooks that risk damaging frames, CRAVOT uses a ratchet strap system with soft padding and rubber contact points to keep bikes secure without scratches. Constructed from durable aluminum and steel, the rack offers long-term reliability while remaining relatively easy to handle. Overall, the CRAVOT E2 Plus is a smart choice for e-bike owners seeking a stable, protective, and thoughtfully designed hitch-mounted rack.
Number 3. CRAVOT E2 Hitch. The CRAVOT E2 Hitch electric bike rack is built for riders who want a reliable, no-compromise solution for hauling heavy electric bikes. With a total capacity of 200 pounds or 100 pounds per bike, it easily supports 2 full-size e-bikes without strain. The included ramp makes loading and unloading smooth and controlled, reducing the risk of injury or bike damage. Designed to fit any vehicle with a 2-inch receiver, the rack accommodates tires up to 5 inches wide and wheelbases up to 50 inches, covering most modern e-bike configurations. Stability is a major highlight thanks to the upgraded V-shaped front wheel cradle and semi-enclosed vertical rod connection, which together provide a tight and secure hold. The shock-absorbing threaded bolt system minimizes sway and rattling, even on longer trips or uneven roads. Instead of using frame clamping hooks, the rack secures bikes with a 3-point ratchet strap system, combined with soft padding and rubber covers to prevent scratches or pressure marks. The aluminum and steel construction offers a strong yet manageable structure, while the foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. A rust-resistant coating rated for 1,000 hours of salt spray ensures durability in harsh weather conditions. Overall, the CRAVOT E2 Hitch stands out as a practical, protective, and well-engineered option for transporting valuable e-bikes safely.
Number 4. Iron Deer. The Iron Deer Eco Pro Hitch e-bike rack is a premium option designed for riders who value convenience, security, and heavy-duty performance. With a robust 200 pounds total capacity, it can safely carry 2 electric bikes weighing up to 100 pounds each. One of its most distinctive features is the compact, foldable design paired with 4 integrated wheels, allowing the rack to be rolled like a cart when off the vehicle. This makes storage and handling far easier compared to traditional hitch racks. The retractable ramp ensures effortless loading and unloading, while compatibility with wheel sizes from 16 to 29 inches, tire widths up to 5 inches, and wheelbases up to 48 inches makes it highly versatile. The patented wobble-free locking and tilting system enhances driving stability and allows easy trunk access even with bikes mounted. Generous spacing between bikes reduces the risk of contact and damage during transport. Anti-theft features include lockable ratchet straps and a self-locking hitch pin, offering peace of mind when traveling or stopping along the way. Soft rubber padding, hub covers, and reflective strips add protection and visibility.
Number 5. RoamEase 170 pounds. The RoamEase 170 pounds electric bike rack is thoughtfully engineered to make transporting heavy e-bikes safer and more accessible, particularly for users who prefer minimal lifting. Supporting up to 170 pounds total, or 85 pounds per bike, it is ideal for 2 medium to heavy electric bikes. The extended 46-inch loading ramp, combined with guide ramps and widened wheel tubes, provides a smooth and controlled loading experience, making it especially suitable for seniors and riders with limited strength. Designed for vehicles with a standard 2-inch hitch receiver, the rack supports fat tires up to 5 inches wide and wheelbases up to 50 inches. Security is a major focus, with a dual-layer anti-theft system that includes a heavy-duty hitch lock and dual-arm locking mechanism to keep both the rack and bikes firmly in place. Stability during transit is enhanced by 4 ultra-thick adjustable ratchet straps that are significantly stronger than standard straps, ensuring bikes remain steady even on rough roads. Soft padding and rubber covers protect wheels and frames from scratches. Built from heavy-duty alloy steel, the rack offers excellent durability while remaining foldable for easier storage. With its complete accessory package and user-friendly design, the RoamEase 170 pounds bike rack is a practical and secure solution for everyday e-bike transport.